Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you disable or enable private messages into Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In our last video, we learned how can you do that for any specific server. But in this video, we are going to talk about how can we do that for every single servers and DMs. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will just simply have to tap to this gear button at the bottom. Tap there and it will lead you to this page. Now in here, you just simply have to select this privacy and safety option. Tap to that, and after tapping into privacy and safety, you will get to see this option of direct messages from friends. Now into this section, you will get to see this all three options. First one is direct messages from friends, second one is from others, and third one is from server channel messages. Now you can select if you want to show, blur or block. If you have selected block into here, you just simply have to tap to show option, or you can also blur the messages, but that is not necessary. Most of the time, if you want to enable messages from other, you just simply have to select show into these sections for which you would like to disable the privacy, for which you would like to enable DMs, and after selecting this into show mode, then you will get this section of direct message spam filter. Now in here, you can filter all of the DMs which are spamming into your inbox, and you can choose not to filter, or you can filter only non-friends, meaning friends can still send messages and DMs to you. This way you can easily change the privacy of your messages and DMs in Discord. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.